If your mom loves cooking and has her own special recipes for everything, then you already know that's what makes her her. Let's turn that love into a gift she can keep forever. I'm picking some cute food designs in the Liene app. There are so many fun options to choose from. Next, I need to print some Mother's Day stickers and even small photos of mom's dishes, all with the PixCut S1. It's so easy and fun to get everything ready for the notebook. And look at this, it prints and cuts everything for me. So satisfying to watch. Now I'm opening the notebook and peeling off the stickers, then stick them on the pages. It's like saving yummy memories. Now I'm adding ingredients, steps, and mom's little tips. This makes it personal. Print a photo of mom to decorate the cover. It makes it feel even more special. Let's take a look at the pages. Everything just feels so warm and full of love. Now I'm designing a label for the jar in the Liene photo app. You can just drag and adjust everything so easily. I will decorate some jars with mom's photos and sweet messages. Now I'm peeling it off and sticking it onto the jar. Look at this. It turned out so cute. I love this little detail. Time to pack everything. Spread the cloth first, then add the notebook, kitchen tools, and jars. Tie a ribbon around the cup. It's all coming together. We'd love to see you take this gift and give it to your mom in person, and capture her real reaction in that moment. A big smile, a warm hug, or even tears of joy. Share your making process and your mom's reaction on social media with Stick What Makes Her Her and PixCut S1 for a chance to win a special Mother's Day surprise.